we talk about the diaspora. And for our kids, they say it every day, but it has to make sense for them and to them for them to actually connect to it. So I know one thing that we've been working on is we do work in South America also. And the diaspora in South America is as great as it is in North America. And we've been talking to them about the experience of the African everywhere. Brazil is America, they just speak Portuguese. So we tried to bring it home in the Willie Lynch letters, especially the treatment of the African slave through the breaking process. It seems to have resonated with them because it's big to be Ashanti here. And to tell them, well, the Ashanti were being taken too. These are your people that you're reading about. And the person who wrote the book was talking about you and your ancestors. So the presentation is from the heart, but it's also creative. So the assignment was, you must be Willie Lynch, and you must present it to people as a way of selling your product to other people. So we're still going to have a student introduce it before the play, but that is the thought behind the assignment. You are Willie Lynch. And how would you present your method to get other people to grab a hold to it and also sell it in the West Indies, in the Americas, and in other places like Australia, and in Malaysia, places like that. So Clifford, he's going to introduce it and then we'll have our group come out.
Good afternoon. My name is Clifford Intignano and I'm grade 8. In class, we were taught about how African citizens were sent to the Americans and how they were broken. I'm here to give a brief speech about the Willie Lynch letter. And Willie Lynch wrote a letter to a group of men who were slave owners. And in his letter, he wrote that he have a method for controlling the slaves, and the method is called the foolproof method. He said, first of all, you have to make the slaves not to try themselves. So an example is, the master should go to a younger slave and tell him that the slave should do something for him, because the older slave said he likes working a lot. So after that, then he will bring food to the younger slave and give a small amount of food to the older slave. By doing this, they will hate each other, and so they will not try themselves. Also, the masters can go to a group of slaves and choose 2 or more people and say, oh, your hair is very beautiful, it's nice. As for the rest, they are crooked, it's very bad. So by doing this, the other slave whose hair is very bad will hate the slaves with beautiful hair, and we hate the slaves with beautiful hair. And also we have a method for breaking the slaves, and there's a group here, they are my students. We want to perform how the male and the female slaves were broken. Thank you.
Prince, why are you worried?
But how can you control our slaves?
My slaves are very stubborn.
Oh my God.
I hate them. They don't want to work for me.
I'll kill them, especially the males.
I want
They're
to sell
very
them back.
stubborn.
I don't know what to do.
My
Guys, what are you talking about?
Oh,
they are talking about how to control our
slaves.
slaves.
They don't know how to control a slave.
Yes.
I'm going to show you how to control a slave. Hold it for me.
Oh, but first of all, what's your name?
My name is Willie Lynch, and today I'm going to show you how to control your slaves. First, I'm going to give you a foolproof method of controlling slaves. That is, you can use the distrust envy and fear. Also, you can focus on their differences like their age, color, sex, and size. This method will last for at least 300 years.
Yes!
First, you will destroy the male image by looking through the males, the biggest and the strongest one. You will whip him till he's about to die, and then you put hot oil on him. You put feathers on him, and then you tie his legs and hands into four horses, and then you will whip the horses till they tear his body apart. You will do this in front of the female so that they can lose their trust in the males. If you do that, and then you pretend as if you like the female by giving them some small food and some small water to drink. And after that, you can change their mind. So if the males try to kill you, the woman will protect you because you tried to help them. And also, you must remember that we must condition them to do whatever they tell you to do, even what your child tells him or her to do. And also, you must remember that they must trust only you, not anyone else. That is how to control your slave. Thank you.
Thank you, Delight.
Thank you.
My name is Prince Owusu.
And I'm Dorothea. I'm a junior Kondi.
And I'm Fiat Jabama Sentiamo. And we are all in JHS 2. Thank you.